Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we find facts and fine-tune figures. Before I continue with data ingestion on Notebook, I quickly want to show us how useful it's going to be for us to use a Power Query template. So I will come back into my lakehouse. Then from my lakehouse, I will then try to ingest a new data into my lakehouse. As against starting from data flow from scratch, I can actually reuse an existing Power Query template file. So I will come to get data. So when I come to get data, I will click on new data flow gen 2. So once I click on new data flow gen 2, it will open a new data flow gen 2 for me. But instead of starting from scratch like we did when we are trying to ingest from on-prem data source, I'm going to use the Power Query template file that we created earlier. So all the transformation that had been done on that file will be automatically imported into this file. So this way you can share your Power Query template file with other developers. So you can use this button, import from Power Query template. So I will click on this button now, then it's going to prompt me to open my local laptop, and then I'll come to my download folder where I have the template file, and this is the Power Query template file. Then I click on this, and then once I click on this, then I click on open. So once I click on open, automatically all the transformation that I done earlier will be imported, and then I can I can then publish this data flow gen 2 for our use. So all I have to do is to configure the connection. So in this case now, I'll click on configure connection, and then I'll point it to the Adventure Data Warehouse that we did earlier and click on connect. So once I click on connect, I will do that across board for all the tables, and then I don't have to start doing my data cleaning and transformation in Power Query from scratch. So I've configured that connection and all my tables are back.